Yo, what's up everyone? It's Rudo, and welcome back to the channel. We're diving deep into the future, into the world of AI, but not just any AI, we're talking about the AI that can put some cash in your pocket. That's right, we're breaking down how to make money online using AI tools in 2025. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking for some side hustle opportunities, this video is your one-stop shop. We're going to be exploring some of the top free AI tools out there, giving you the step-by-step on how to use them, and showing you how they can seriously boost your productivity game, or even become your new income stream. From AI that writes your content, to AI that trades for you while you sleep, we're covering it all. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get into it. First up, we're tackling the world of content creation. Now we all know how much time and effort goes into crafting high-quality blog posts, social media updates, or even just compelling product descriptions. But what if I told you AI can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you? We're talking about AI content generators like Jasper and Copy.ai. These tools are like having a 24/7 writing assistant on hand. You feed them some basic information like keywords, target audience, and maybe a brief outline, and boom, they generate human-quality content in minutes. Seriously, it's like magic. But better because it's real and it can save you a ton of time. But it's not just about speed. These AI tools are built to optimize your content for SEO, meaning your content is more likely to be seen by the right people. Imagine being able to pump out engaging blog posts, captivating social media updates, and persuasive marketing copy, all without breaking a sweat. That's the power of AI content generators, and the crazy part is they're constantly evolving, getting smarter, and more efficient. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, these tools can be a game changer for your workflow and your bottom line. Next up, we're diving into the world of finance, because who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? I'm talking about AI trading bots. Now before you jump into the comments saying, Rudo, this is getting into risky territory, hear me out. AI trading bots like TradeSanta and Pionex aren't about get-rich-quick schemes. They're sophisticated tools that use algorithms to analyze market trends, identify potential trading opportunities, and execute trades automatically, all based on your predefined parameters. It's like having a 24/7 personal trader who never sleeps, eats, or gets emotional about the markets. The key here is understanding that while AI can take over the repetitive tasks of monitoring markets and executing trades, it's crucial to set clear investment goals, manage your risk, and choose the right bot that aligns with your trading style. And just like any investment strategy, it's important to do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But if you're looking for a way to potentially automate your trading, explore new opportunities, and maybe even level up your passive income game, then AI trading bots are definitely worth a closer look. Alright, let's face it, running a business, even if it's a one-person show, can feel like you're constantly juggling a million things at once. But what if you could automate some of those repetitive tasks, and free up your time and brain power to focus on the bigger picture? That's where AI business automation tools come in. We're talking about platforms like Zapier and Integromat. These tools are like the glue that connects all your favorite apps and automates workflows, so you don't have to. Imagine this. A new customer signs up for your email list, and Zapier automatically adds them to your CRM, sends them a welcome email, and even creates a task for you to follow up with them in a week. No more manually transferring data between platforms, no more copy-pasting, just seamless automation that saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. And the best part is, these platforms are incredibly user-friendly, with drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built templates that make setting up automations a breeze. Whether you're managing social media, processing orders, or handling customer support, AI business automation tools can streamline your operations, improve efficiency, and ultimately, boost your bottom line. Finally, let's talk about freelancing. The gig economy is booming, and with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, it's easier than ever to find clients and share your skills with the world. But what if there was a way to take your freelancing game to the next level, to stand out from the competition and attract even more high-paying clients? That's where AI-powered freelancing platforms come in. These platforms are using AI to match freelancers with the perfect clients based on skills, experience, and even communication style. This means you're not just scrolling through endless job boards. you're getting targeted opportunities that align with your expertise. But it goes beyond just matchmaking. AI is also being used to optimize proposals, analyze market trends, and even provide real-time feedback on your work. Imagine getting insights on how to improve your pitch, what skills are in high demand, or even how to price your services competitively. AI is transforming the freelancing landscape, giving freelancers the tools and insights they need to thrive in the digital age. So, whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or anything in between, don't sleep on the power of AI to supercharge your freelancing career. And there you have it, guys. A glimpse into the future of making money online with AI. From content creation to trading, business automation to freelancing, the possibilities are pretty much endless. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. So, do your research, experiment, and don't be afraid to try new things. The future is here and it's powered by AI. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try out? Drop a comment down below and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.